Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to walk the dog with a yo-yo. And yeah, so start off, so you have a yo-yo, put on your fingers, and yeah, so it's the yo-yo and it's like not tying around. So if it doesn't tie around for you, get your finger and put it and then do around, then start doing it because that works too. Then we'll let you. So I'll just do it the normal way. So yeah. Guys, it will take me some time. See guys, it's not gonna work for me, so I just do the finger one. Okay guys? So yeah. Oh, one off my finger. No, it doesn't matter. Put it on the end. And I'll put it back on my finger. I put it on this finger, but it mostly goes on your middle finger. So yeah. So yeah. So practice doing this. So you might want to like get off this video and just like save it, and then yeah, then you can just practice this. I mean, no. Practice. Practice doing this and catching it like that. And yeah, that's practice. So do that, and when you're able to catch it, you can just do this. See, it's spinning really fast. That's how you walk it up. I'll show you a couple more times. So, now let me just tie it up. And yeah, so yeah. See, look. So guys, when it's on your finger, put your finger in this crack. And now look. Throw. Now catch it. If you need like someone to catch, I'll show you other yo-yo tricks, but in different videos. So look, it's on my thing. See, just like when it. See, look. So like when you practice doing like that, you'll see, look. So like that, you'll see like it's like tying back up, back onto your finger, so like you're ready for whatever you're doing next. And yeah, and so look, you just throw it. See, now it's spinning really fast. And now, yeah. And when you see it spinning really fast, I will show you again. So like this. See guys, it's spinning. Now walk the dog. So yeah guys, just end the video, like and subscribe, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this, and yeah. So you guys, accept tutorial for today, and bye guys.